How to redeem Hulu gift card. Open your preferred web browser and visit Hulu's official gift card redemption page by typing hulu.com/gift in the address bar. Log into your Hulu account using your email and password if you don't have an account yet. Create one first on hulu.com. Once logged in, locate the section labeled redeem gift card or gift or promotional code within your account settings or billing information. Enter the 12-digit code found on your physical card or in the email if it's an e-gift card, along with the PIN if your card has one. Click the redeem button to apply the balance to your Hulu subscription. The amount will be added to your account immediately. If your gift card balance does not cover the full subscription fee, add a credit or debit card to pay the remaining charge and keep your streaming uninterrupted. Your Hulu subscription will activate or extend automatically once the gift card is applied. You can redeem multiple gift cards, but the total gift card value on one Hulu account cannot exceed $500. Note that Hulu gift cards cannot be used to pay for premium add-ons like HBO, Showtime, or Cinemax, which requires a separate payment method. If any issues arise, try clearing your browser cache or switching to a different web browser before redeeming. Subscribe.